Let's talk about PluieSoleil glass teapots with infuser, 500 ml in square shape, tea strainers for loose leaf tea, microwavable and stovetop safe. Teapot for 1, 500 ml ultra clear glass teapot with stainless steel infuser. Includes micromesh stainless steel filter for loose teas or blooming teas, perfect for 12-person. Food grade material, with a borosilicate glass teapot and a food grade stainless steel infuser filter, your tea infusion will be free of harmful chemicals, plastic leaching and aftertaste. Delicate square shape, this teapot is purely handcrafted, made from heat-resistant glass. Its fashion modeling decides that it will be a great gift for your family or friends on any occasion. Durable and non-crack, the teapot can withstand instant temperature change from -20 to 130. It will stay intact even if you fill boiling water into the frozen teapot instantly. Easy to use, this teapot with infuser is a full set of combinations, easily detachable for making tea and boiling water. Applicable for dishwasher, microwave oven, electric burner, gas stove, electric ceramic cooker and burning stove. I've been using this for a few days now and it's pretty much perfect. It's small, which is what I wanted for green tea, but do be aware of that when buying. It's enough for 2 standard cups, or 1 big mug, or 4 small glasses in my case. I've put boiling water straight in after rinsing with cold water no problem, so it's definitely borosilicate glass. The stainless steel parts fit well, and the infuser has drainage perforations on the bottom contrary to the product photos above. I was slightly concerned about the handle being glass, but it's solid and in practice the weight of a full pot isn't enough to worry me about it breaking. The whole thing is easy to clean as the opening for the infuser isn't too narrow and the pot itself is shallow. Can't fault it. As others have said, it is quite small and can make about 1.5 cups of tea. This is fine for me. The glass is quite thin, so be careful. Also note that you need to hold the lid on when pouring as it has come off a few times and fallen into the drink, especially when pouring the last few drops. The only issue I have is that whilst the infuser holes are really tiny, I found some tea leaves still leaked into my drink, especially when I used a very basic, cheap loose tea. This is exactly what I was looking for and works really well with the white tea that I've tried it with so far and can't see why longer, less compact, green tea wouldn't have enough room to infuse as well. If I was being picky, I'd say that the lid could have been a bit better thought out, as the lid needs to be held when you pour, but then again, that is the traditional teapot style and it isn't hot to the touch. I think all the 1-star reviews saying that it is too small should be ignored. It clearly says in the description, and ironically their reviews, that it holds 350 ml of liquid. This is just enough for 1 average size cup mug or 2 of the very small, traditional sized china cups you can get. If you require a full-size teapot, you're probably better off with about 800 ml. We've all ordered things that aren't suitable in error, but to give a product 1 star because of this seems a little strange.